Khajan tautai buksung o jaro no ani yo channel lamsugo ang tabuk tini sarik jaro news ID portal tirpa.info.com sijang humane aroni kaisa kok bokro krengnai abong ke 10,323 reng pranai saboruni no tini ni cabinet ni je meeting ni porebo শিক্ষা মন্ত্রী একে রং ফ্রংনাই মন্ত্রী রতনলাল নাথ যে সামনে কগনস ন কিসে অজা শেয়ার খাইনাই আর বাই নরক চয় আওই পুইলানচিং পাইতে জরা করং তংদি তাই কেবো কটাল ফাই দং কান চ্যানেল প্লিজ নট সাবস্ক্রাইব খাই বেল বাটন প্রেস খাইদি অরো সিজা ফাইকা uncertainly looms large over 10,323 teachers' futures again after latest statement came from Education Minister on confusion over ASIS verdict. Tini je cabinet ni meeting ni pore je saklamai bini je paithak ni tini ni saklamai je kok je Supreme Court ni je rai ongkhomana rai nutui borok tak bo confusion tongo an bagai je dosa ti jote je reng phrai rong buni thinang tak bo hai kachajak Oro Shika, although 10,323 teachers conducted blood donation camps and a section is claiming that Supreme Court's verdict is an achievement for the former teachers. But with the Education Minister's last statement, once again confusions have been erupted in the matter. The cabinet of Tripura Gov has been reported as being yet confused over the Supreme Court's verdict given on 10,323 teachers on Tripura Gov late file petition. In a twist for 10,323 teachers, Education Minister Ratan Lal said on Monday, there is a confusion in para 18 and para 20 of Supreme Court's verdict, and Gov is talking to senior advocate in this regard. I'm an advocate but not expert as Supreme Court's advocate or Attorney General, said Ratanlal Nath. Borobo je dosa 323 rengprunai sabrun kaisa thui remani kemo ar thang bo je samani je teacher rong bagai Engke ta kaisa group dosa 323 no abrok je borok sai tonglaimani je Supreme Court ni je rai ongkhomna rai bong bagai achievement yakaba kaham phaisogoi mani kok phiaba tak je paithak ni je saklaimani Ratanlal Nath Education Minister takphon borok byaparo confusion tongkhonai Ga cabinet of Borokhaini Salaijaka, they yet confused. Tabu Borok confused Kohonai. Ga confused one Borok Athor Tai Bisnaur Paranotu Ye. And by Borok senior advocate expert Jarak Sumukot no T. Bong Yakeba Tai Kubun advocate with Salai only Bo or High type of Saka Bobo Kroksa advocate no Hypano Supreme Court ni je advocate yaka attorney general log borok sima hake bo asuk sia hanai inke je 18 para 20 para bo tam siak tong naigerna oboke para 18 kok in our view considering the fact that the very selection and appointments are found to be illegal and invalid no other advantage can be conferred upon the concerned candidate it must be noted that the attempt on part of the state in offering certain alternative job is not degrade the teachers, but some solace is being offered even in cases where the candidate do not succeed in the selection to the post of teachers. Ingkora sakaborok je tamne kono selection tai appointment routine jodi rekhangke amu illegal yakabo invalid hin sajanai no advantages can be conferred to the upon the concerned teachers. Borno tai kono je teachers no tai kono advantage yaka sujug subida tai rezagli ahni. Fevor sajaka it must be noted that attempt on the part of the state offering alternative a certain alternative employment or safija ka je state go by je alternative je employment bang yaka samung je rena mani abo teachers song bagai kono demotion yang yaka degrading ya borok tola wongkhoya bongni je grade ni master je grade ni hoite ni saka. But some solaces being offered even in cases where the candidates do not succeed in the selection to the post of teachers. Fiaba borok jodi no teachers ni post je state government langjamane ajagabo borok success sing yakhe oje alternative jobs jerna manabo kono demotion kalaya nei. The candidate, if they are otherwise competent and eligible, will certainly have every opportunity till August 13 to get selected for the post of teachers in the state. Ar jodi no oje teachers songni post jerna ki je eligible nka competition asu eligible nka pornoke joto rokomni subida no rjak sinai nei. And by way of additional benefit, those are not successful in such attempt meriting in alternative employment. Hai sapi ja ko jagao je jorino a master ni je post or we je successing yarok unsuccessful phanerok borok alternative je borno additional benefit jamani additional benefit je jamani a jagao no meriting the alternative employment of tongmanu hnai. In our view, it does not amount to any degradation. Bongni mote je Supreme Court ni motamo kono degradation ni postia. Consequently, this appeals and MAD number 11372 of 2020 are dismissed without any order as to cost. I cannot take alada kun order revenue obno je MA example something dismiss directly for the kasi kok tongo je last je kok by way of additional benefit borno je kubun lama je benefit rezamani those who are unsuccessful jerna ke successing yarok in such attempt or saka or samake jo je master ni je post nantingo bro are successful in yakhe meriting alternative employment je je bikolpo je employment na aro tongman nei tagoro kashe kokwan sujani kahaise jorino sarkaro alternative job ruini mai angka tangor kok nei tange o alternative kok ni je employment ni kok sajaka jerna master rime rok successing rok borok tongi manu hni sajaka enke tabu roban sujani kok khobno je alternative jobs no jodino runani ba permission ya ketang alternative kok ni oro kokti sajaka hne khazan ta hotai bu oro borokta confusion to borokta experience natung tamke jesa alternative jobs phanur jaktung amtai kono aini bezalo kalanya ta thangbu te khazan ta hotai bu songno kisi joran nor phalen si party jorang kurung tong no pai hambai